Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now look at this another Olympiad question. The question is 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y is equals to 42. And the next equation is x plus y is equals to 3. And we are asked to find the value of x and y. So first we'll focus on equation 1. And the equation 1 is 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y is equals to 42. Just multiply the whole equation with 6 to the power x. So what you will get, these two terms are multiplied, you get 6x dot 6x plus 6 to the power x dot 6 to the power y is equals to 6 to the power x dot 42. Further, you can simplify it as 6 to the power 2x plus 6 to the power x plus y is equals to 42 multiplied with 6 to the power x. Now assume, as you know, that according to equation number 2, x plus y is equals to 3. Just replace this x plus y with 3. So you get 6 to the power 2x plus 6 to the power 3 is equals to 42 dot 6 to the power x. Further, 6 to the power 2x plus 6 to the power 3 is 216, and here you get 42 into 6 to the power x. Now assume that m is equals to 6 to the power x. Now replace it with m. You get m square plus 216 is equals to 42 into m. Now just bring 42 on the other side. You get m square minus 42m plus 216 is equals to 0. Now you know that this is a quadratic equation, so you have to factorize this 216, and this can be factorized into 36 and 6. So you can write this equation as m square minus 36m minus 6m plus 216 is equals to 0. Now take out n common out of these two terms. You get m minus 36 inside the bracket minus, just take out 6 common, so you will get m minus 36 is equals to 0. Now this implies that m minus 36 and then m minus 6 is equals to 0. Now you get m minus 36 is equals to 0 and m is minus 6 is equals to 0. So there are two possible solutions of this quadratic equation. Here you get m is equals to 36 or m is equals to 6. Now the two values of m are 36 and 6. Now let's deal with the case 1 first. This is our case 1 and this is our case 2. As you assumed that m is equals to 6 to the power x. So just replace it here. You get 6 to the power x is equals to 36. Further, you can write it as 6 to the power x is equals to 6 square, and this implies that x is equals to 2. So you get x is equals to 2 here. As in this equation number 2 is x plus y is equals to 3. This is equation number 2. So using equation number 2 here, if you put x here, you get y is equals to 1. Now dealing with case 2, here m is equals to 6, right? As since m is equals to 6 to the power x, just replaced, you get 6 to the power x is equals to 6. Now this implies that x is equals to 1. Now for x is equals to 1, putting this value of x in equation number 2, this is our equation 2, you get put 1 here, so you get y is equals to 2. So our solution set is for x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1, and for x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2. And this is our required answer. I hope you understand the question, and if you understand it and if you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.